Sorry I'm making so many videos about this. It's just because it's kept getting worse and worse. I'm hearing lightning now. You guys can kind of see the rain now. But not really. I heard lightning, so back out here because I heard lightning. I meant I heard thunder, sorry. I got a flash flood watch. Unfortunately. Stormy week. I don't know why it's so hard to see. Let me show you down here. Hell, my phone isn't showing anything. I do not know what's going on with my camera. I do not know. It's now doing this again. It used to show a lot more rain a couple days ago. Like, even yesterday, but now it's just stopping on me. It's a bummer. Because it's raining like it did on July 25th, but it's not showing it. See you guys later, bye.